day is this? Mr. AC can't work in this mess. You can look at cool things like this. Put it on right there. That water's cold. But I gotta get to work. I gotta get in this car. It's leaking water inside because of the rain, because of the AC. Somebody cut open this AC box to change something. And now it's just leaking water all on the carpet. It's gonna be a cheap fix. Because I'm not taking all that stuff out today or anytime soon. So here we go. Okay, the rain has stopped, but we have a problem here. Look at this floor. It's raining, but inside the car too. Look at all this wetness. So before we bought this, somebody decided to change the heater or something. They just cut the box all open. So even the evaporator water from the AC is looking inside here. I had to make this little cup up to fit down in here. You can see the water. All the water stuff around there. Use that flex tape there. That's got waterproof. It sticks to it. Doesn't come off. So yeah, I mean, that's all I can do. I mean, if that was coming from way up here, too, it's just going to leak in here. So, yeah, I mean, if you don't do your job right, this is what you go through. Then you sell it to somebody that doesn't look at everything. It's my fault. But, I mean, for me, it's fixable. I don't care. But for somebody else, this is a problem. They're just going to sell the car to somebody else that's going to go through this hell, too. So, yeah, cheap job to whoever did that. Now you can see the water leaking to the floor instead of in the car. My job is done.